How to use linked list with stack. So why we are using linked list to stack? Stack operation will need less space. Now if you use linked list, your space will be increased and your code also will be efficient. So this is the logic. Your head next of the head should point to the new node, and the new nodes next should point to the first node. This first node pointing. How it is done in the code will not give directly. This another concept is that head will store all the addresses, and the second thing we have to remember is the next. When you see dot next means you are going to the next node, but you can make the dot next to go to the particular node also. These two logics are very important in linked list. And pop also similar way, the temp will be pointing to the node 1 and head will be pointing to node 2. We'll see how it is done in the code. Similar case only. Push operation, normally basic insert means always you should not forget to store data, and second thing is before doing the starting the program you should make sure that your head is having addresses, because using the head only you will go to the next node. That you should make sure. Then you proceed. This is the main part of your code. That is, the new nodes next should be pointing to the first node and the head will be pointing to the new node. Why they are giving here top? Top is understood, it is first node here. And pop operation also, before doing pop operation make sure that you your head is having all the addresses, you check it. Then this is the main part of the program. So what will you do? You will use the temp pointer. Temp pointer will be pointing to the first node, and your head, what the head will do is it will point to the second node. So using this you will do. And at last what will you do? Already the temp will be pointing to the first node. That you delete that temp. That's it. Then display. You need to just display it. Displaying, how will you access the last node? Last node, normally we know that last nodes next will be 0. So before that next will be having some value node. Till that it will be executing like that. That is not equal to null, means that is if it is having some value means execute. So when it is coming to the last node, it will come out of the loop. So within the loop, normally what will happen? Datas what are there will be printed, and next node you will be able to pass. Then at last finally you can print out the data also. Then these are some operations you can use to access the switch cases. Build and run the program. One push. I'll insert an element 3. Yes, this is wrong. Since caps I gave. One push. I'll insert 3. Yes, I need to push it. Again I'll push 5. Yes. Now let me, it asks me to delete. I'll delete 5. If I delete 5, here see, if you give yes or no, you should be very careful. Build and run. Again, enter the element 3. Yes. Then again, 1 I am pushing. Enter the element to be inserted. 5. Then yes. Enter the this. Now let me pop the operation. 5 will be deleted. Now let me display all the values. You can see that is your 5 will be in the top of the stack. So that will be removed. This is what is there on the top will be removed in the stack. So that logic also can be linked with the linked list concept. Thank you.